Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Atul Rahman, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine. So today I will be talking about English first paper. So let's go to the main topic.
So dear students, welcome to today's lesson. So can you see two pandas are dancing, and it's really a lovely scenery. Look at the picture. Can you think or can you tell something or can you gaze what the pandas are doing? The pandas are taking their foods or they are sitting together. So we have seen two images or two pictures. Can you guess what is the lesson today I am going to teach you or I am going to discuss? Can you guess anything? Yes, today I am going to talk about the giant panda. You see, the giant panda, what does the word giant mean? Giant mean huge in size, large size, extraordinarily large. So, the panda which is huge in size, this is called giant panda. Okay, so let's discuss the giant panda. Learning outcomes, that means in this lesson you will be able to tell the meaning of some words, tell the habitat and attitude of the giant pandas, tell about the present condition of the pandas, and you will be able to describe the way of saving the pandas. That means these are the learning outcomes of today's lesson. Okay, can you see two pictures? Yes, these are lovely animals. You will see in your textbook, the line is written, though they are one of the most beloved animal species on earth, pandas are not safe from the devastating effects of climate change. That means the line indicates that pandas are in danger. They are at risk. They are facing some problem because of climate change. So now we think, what is climate change and what are the reasons of climate change? Okay, let's go for the climate change. Actually, environment pollution causes climate change. Because environment pollution, we are polluting our environment and this is responsible for the climate change. And this term climate change is now really, it's a great topic we discuss. So what are the causes of climate change? Environment pollution. What environment pollution includes? This is one of the environment pollution is deforestation. What does the word deforestation mean? The term deforestation means cutting down trees indiscriminately or at large scale without any reason. And the second one, air pollution. Yes, we see in the picture, the mills and factories are polluting the air with their smoke and other pollutants. Number 3, water pollution. Yes, we know it very well. Our water is getting polluted every day and we are polluting our water. And this is also responsible for environment pollution, and this environment pollution is causing the climate change. And another one is soil pollution. We are polluting our soil every day, and this all together polluting our environment, and this polluted environment is causing or creating the climate change. And this climate change is causing the extinction of giant pandas, and the giant pandas are at risk. So all things are interrelated or interconnected with each other. Pollution, climate change, environment, pandas, species, and we are closely related to all things. Let's go for the features of giant panda. You see in the picture, you will get everything about giant panda. Their class, their order, their family, life cycle, their daily routine, their habitats and their lifestyle and their physical structure. You will see everything in one picture. That means feature means description, the characteristics, That means the every detail. Giant panda class mammal, order carnivore, family bear family. Here it's indicated diet, that means 99% diet bamboo. That means the main food of panda is bamboo. So bamboo is the main source of food. Cat-like pupils, strong teeth, and with the strong teeth, pandas take bamboos. 5 fingers and 1 thumb. Its length is 1.5 meter. That means near about 5 feet. The weight is 150 kg. So it's a huge one. And height near about 2 to 2.5 feet. And this is life cycle. Newborn panda, calfhood, independence and maturity. From 4 to 6 years, the pandas gain maturity. And this is their everyday routine or schedule. They love sleeping, eating, resting, eating and walking around. They slow down period resting and sleeping. That means we can see in the picture the pandas are really lazy animal and they are very cute, and so they need the suitable habitat and suitable environment to survive. Okay, we can see in the picture the panda is eating bamboo leaf. So bamboo leaves or bamboos are almost the sole source of food for endangered pandas. Endangered, what the word endangered means, we will look for the word within few minutes. 90% of a panda's diet is bamboo, and an adult panda needs around 38 kilograms of bamboo every day. That means one single panda takes 38 kilograms of bamboo every day. So if we want to save the pandas, we need bamboo first and their habitat. The research indicates that only if bamboo can move to a new habitats at a higher elevation, will pandas stand a chance of survival. You will see this text in your textbook, this unit or in the lesson. So if we want to save our giant pandas, so we have to save the bamboos, or we have to grow more bamboos to save our giant pandas. Okay, a research team member, Jangulu, said, it's tough, but I think there is still hope. If we take action now, if we wait, then we could be too late. Yes, Lou said appropriately, because this is the time to save our pandas. We have to take action right now. If we think or if we are late, we have to say sorry, and this lovely species or these lovely animals will extinct from the world, and we have to repent for it. So Mr. Jangulu actually warned us from his research. Okay, when you will read this text in this unit or in this lesson, the giant panda, you will face some new words, or maybe some of words are known to you, or maybe some of these words are not known to you or unknown to you. Okay, let's check. What is habitat? Can you see the picture? Habitat. Habitat means a place where one lives. That means where deer lives, where tigers live. So where we live, this is called habitat. That means living place. What does the word survival mean? Survival means here people are trying to survive. That means to live. So survival means to live, to struggle. Endangered. What does the word endangered mean? Endangered means in danger, at risk, or facing some problem. Devastating. You see in the picture, the buildings are smashed and the buildings are collapsed. So devastating means this is dangerous, harmful. And finally, beloved. What does the word beloved mean? You're a cute baby. We love the baby. So beloved means something we love, or this is lovable. So you will get these words in your text. Now we will go for the major areas of giant panda habitat. Actually, where the giant pandas live. The giant pandas live the major areas. This is Quinling Mountain area. So this is Quinling Mountain area, and this area is a living place or habitat for giant pandas. We will get all the giant pandas here. Okay, let's enjoy a video clip, and you will enjoy the activities of giant panda from this video clip. You see, the pandas are playing, they are making fun. Really, they are very much playful, naughty, and so cute. You see how the pandas are enjoying their life. But can you tell, is it a Quinling Mountain? No. This is a breeding center. That means where people grow pandas in a farm. Just like fish farm, cow farm, and here this is a farm where pandas grow. This is artificial breeding center. Here the researcher grow pandas, and they are enjoying, they are playing, and they are spending their time. How lovely the pandas are. They are climbing the tree, and they are fighting. Yes. Okay. We have enjoyed the video clip. Now, as we have discussed, can you try the quiz? There will be some questions and you will try to answer the questions. The first question is, what is the main food item of the giant pandas? Can you tell anyone? Yes, bamboo. Okay, congratulate yourself if you have written the right one. Number 2, what's the name of the main area of the giant panda habitat? Can you write it in your answer sheet? If you can write, if your answer is right, then congratulations. Yes, the Quinling Mountain. Okay, congratulations for your right answer. And the third one, what is the nature of the giant panda? We have discussed the features of giant panda. From these features, we have actually got the idea the how the giant pandas are and what is the nature of the giant panda. Can you write it down? Yes, tame and mild. It's very soft animal. Okay, we have tried the quiz. I hope you all have answered the right answer. These are newborn pandas, and this is a baby panda sleeping or playing. Yes, the mother and the baby. Lou said to really protect pandas, you can't just stick them to a breeding center or zoo. We have seen the zoo or breeding center where people are growing pandas, but Mr. Liu said the breeding center and zoo is not the right place for pandas because they need their real habitat like forest or Quinling Mountain area where they will get a lot of bamboos, a huge area. They will get their place for living. Okay, so here you will see the breeding center of the giant pandas. They are taking care of the pandas and they are wearing their uniform, and everyone is holding a single panda. Can you see? Yes, they are taking care of these pandas. They are providing treatment and they are offering food. They are feeding them. Yes, this is the breeding center. But Mr. Liu said we need a real habitat. That means mountain or forest area for their survival. Okay, dear students, we have discussed many things about giant panda, their features, their lifestyle, their attitude, and finally one thing we have discussed, they are in danger, they are at risk, they are facing the threat of extinction. We are going to lose our giant pandas from the world. So, can I ask you for one homework? That you have to answer the questions, what are the main causes of panda extinction? How can we save the lovely pandas? And finally, write a paragraph on the giant pandas describing its present condition. So, try to complete the homework and try to keep with you. And in the next class, I will be talking about English second paper. I will teach you English second paper, the grammar item. And thanks to all. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Assalamu alaikum. Stay home and stay safe.